What's up, guys? All good? My name is Donna. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic works. What is Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic? Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is a natural dietary supplement made up of a proprietary blend of 8 natural ingredients that work on the root cause of weight gain in people of all sexes, and this is not having enough N-REM sleep. It works on helping you attain deep sleep and restores optimal functioning of the body, which includes factors like better metabolism that initiates weight loss in the body. Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic formula also increases energy levels, supports a healthy inflammatory response, and promotes skin health. The blue tonic is made in the USA in a lab facility that is FDA-registered. The manufacturer has added only natural and safe ingredients to formulate the supplement, meaning it does not contain any artificial ingredients, GMO substances, or harmful chemicals. Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic Fat Burner is made in the form of a powder that you can take daily before going to sleep. Ingredients used to make Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. As aforementioned, the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic powder contains 8 unique ingredients that promote weight loss, and more information about these ingredients is given below. Sumatra Tonic 2. Valerian root. Valerian root is an ingredient that has been used in many European and Asian traditional medicines for centuries. Clinical studies conducted on the ingredient have found that valerian root promotes weight loss by inducing deep sleep. The ingredient can also aid in elevating your mood. Humulus lupulus. Humulus lupulus is a perennial flowering plant that is used for treating insomnia in many traditional medicines because of its properties that can aid a person in sleeping better, which in turn supports weight loss. Besides this Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic ingredient also has anti-obesity properties that promote fat burning. Griffonia simplicifolia, or 5-HTP. Griffonia simplicifolia is a shrub that has 5-HTP in it, which is an ingredient that can help a person in sleeping quickly. This ingredient present in the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic formula can aid in increasing satiety, which will help you feel fuller.